Hello, my name is Muhammad Kalma. So I want to explanation about the enterprise system. So we not read as well for me. So what tell about explanation about this about but number one project and program and project management, and number two organization change and business process engineering. Number three global ethics and security management. And about case student focus number one and number and two, but the last name is number three and PT Nutrifort. You can about explain about making EAP and SCM about. And number one supply chain management SCM, and number two customer relation management, and number three nothing. So we can tell about the case study about PT Nutrifood. So you can about put it as well in the link about the blog, social media, Wikipedia, Technopedia. You can look about as well looking the Google and this. So the number one is program and project management. So I want to put your reference in the link is number one this. So I want to talk about in the link Google. So I want to about the program and project management, and this in the step on how you create PM organization stroke, and this the enterprise system planning blah blah blah. In the explain the roles. So I want to explain about the roles. Nothing. So I want to explain in the how you create project timeline communication about cost format. Set communication goal, identify stakeholder, identify methods and of communication, and then the last is you can about critical success factor of your PMO. So this is the answer, and you copy paste about the link about in the Google. And number two, organization change business process engineering. What my last name is 3. This odd last number of you student ataupun angka terakhir name Anda. So I want to course about manufacturing and consumer goods. So 2R is 3 example of process, the process BPUC methodology. You can look about in the link on and the Google. And then an experiment step is about this, the flow diagram. And the 2B is change management, a purpose of your company. So this is the answer, the B about manufacturing changes request, manufacturing changes order. This is the answer about 2B. What you can look about the link is blue. And number 3 is global ethics and security management. And 3A you can look about answer. So what do you say? How you determine its decision for using offshoring related internet resources. So this is the answer about you can look about the Google link about Technopedia, Wikipedia. So number 3B, what about there is need to have global policies if you moving the cloud of using CIS? What do you think? And please explain with the real example. So number 3B, what about thing about CSS application and non-tasking sector and maintenance of the software and blah blah blah. So you can look about the answer. This is. And number 3, and case study is last name is 3 or last number 3. but I cost about 15 to 3/4. Then number one, supply chain management. You can you can create about the insert smart art. What you cost about this the cycle. So this is the cycle you can cost about this. And then number one, you can about the smart art in the cycle about this. Number one, this you can note about apa SCM components to be used, integration between EAP and SCM, proposed SCM, implementation strategy, and benefit on using SCM and EAP. But number one, you can create about smart art about SCM and EAP. This, but the answer you can look about in the link Wikipedia, Technopedia, blog, social media. You can look about the Google. And number two, customer relation management. And about this, CM components can be used type of CM as a tool of integration between CAM and EAP, propose CM implementation strategy, benefits on using CAM EAP. What about you can build about CAM? So CAM, this is the CM example about this SCM. You can create about the cycle is about CAM is SCM. That's it. So CAM, they are set to between about CAM EAP, but is so can load about what the answer you can about go load in the Google and Technopedia. So the explanation you can create it on the smart art and the cost cycles you can about what do you say about the next thing about EAP, SCM, CAM. You can create about this. So this is the answer. Thank you.